I'm here to show you today how to install insulation on your Mondo hotends to keep away from thermal runaway airs as well as maintaining temperature on your hotends. So if we look over here, we have one Mondo that has insulation on it currently and one Mondo that's not. So I'll remove the fans to start. And here is what we're going to be using as insulation. This is 1/4 inch material. It's just over 1 inch wide and 3.5 inches long. And the process of this is to put this over the hotend and then tape over it. The tape we're going to be using is Kapton tape. This is heat resistant thermal tape that we will be putting around the insulation to secure it. We have cut a strip that is just over 1 inch wide and about 8 inches long, and this is what we will be using to secure it. So, to do this, we're going to line up a bottom straight edge of the insulation with the bottom of the heater block. It's important that it doesn't drop any lower because otherwise it will grab parts of the plastic when it's printing and cause some stringing, and we don't want that. So make sure it's out of the way of the hotend and the part that will be printed. We're going to go ahead and wrap it all the way around the back of the hotend, covering the heater cartridge and the thermocouple. Next step is to stick on the tape in any way necessary, wrap it around the insulation. And once you get to the point of where you're going over top of the insulation, make sure you're kind of pulling and getting some tension so you secure it very strongly. And there you go. There you have it. That's all it is. All it takes to make your printer Mondo efficiency a little better and get those big 0.8mm nozzle prints.